let's talk a little bit about design process. I've been asked to share kind of like how I go about it. I know everybody has their own ways and method, but here's mine. So sometimes I will come up with my own themes or I will get reached out by a client, friend, whatever, with some sort of like assignment. The assignment for this one was like a tree, sort of like fashion like outfit for a music festival. First thing I did is ask a lot of questions to the person that I'm making this for. If it was for me, I would figure out like my non-negotiable, the big ideas. And then from there, I would go on ahead and go on Pinterest and create sort of like a little bit of a mood board, grab some inspiration from different media out there to kind of create the vibe, the vision, elements that I think would fit whatever it is that I'm trying to make. After I start visualizing the general direction, I also start looking for materials because I can't provide somebody like a customer, a client with a picture of something without somewhat of a guesstimate of how much this is going to cost. Next, I'm drawing my croquis. This is where I have gauged kind of like a sense of what I want, some factors if I want a bolero, if I want a belt, if I any other sort of like accessories, I have those down. And in my head, I'm getting a picture of it. Now it's time to put it on paper. As I'm putting it on paper, I am making sure that I am sourcing my materials. And then that takes us to our finished croquis and we paint them a little picture, a little idea of what this could look like. I like to use color pencils. I like to use pastels. I do use markers, especially like for face and shadows. I feel like markers are kind of like the way to go for that. And once I'm done with that, I put everything together to show to my friend, my client, even to myself. I print out a mood board, I get swatches, and just to create a bigger idea of what this outfit is going to look like, what it entails, everything that it needs, and what it might possibly look like. And after that, I get to buy and construct everything, which I do make videos about that. But that is my primary design process. And if you have a different one, let me know in the comments. I would like to know what you do differently, if you like to get materials before you start building things, etc. I just like to draw it out and conceptualize it before I'm able to start doing things. Sometimes I do it the other way around, but I think my brain stays on task a little better when it's like this.